Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear number plate bulb. In this instant we're replacing the full light. I don't have a light to hand, I just need to remove it and confirm that the clip is broken behind. So I thought I'll make a quick video, it's only going to be a couple of minutes. But this car is a Mercedes A45 AMG 2 litre 2015 reg. This is in the UK, so it's a right-hand drive. However, this is a similar method for all the Mercs, regardless of where they are, and it is for similar cars to this. So if you've got one, let's say a 14 plate or a 13 plate, you will have a similar procedure. Now, this won't be as far out as this one is, because I can get my finger behind that. I can actually pull that out. So this will be in there nice and tight, and what you'll need is a little pry tool. You put your pry tool in from the side. Now you would put it in from this side on this light, and on the light that's straight opposite it, which is just there, you would go in from this side because the clips are on the outer edge. Now all you would do is, if you can get a plastic trim removal tool, it would be more ideal. Someone I think has gone at this one here, and you can see they've put some very light scratches in there, and a similar thing on the other side there. As you can see, this one's picking up a lot better. You can see they've damaged it there. So a plastic trim removal tool is the best. If you have got to use a screwdriver, I'd recommend putting a cloth there first. You might still get some minor damage, but it'll be minimal. Now, this one, I believe I'll just be able to pull it out with a bit of pressure. As you can see, it should never come out like that. But let me go ahead and show you what it will look like when you're pulling it out. So when you put the screwdriver on the side, you will have this rubber gasket will stay stuck down, and this plastic clip will actually stay stuck to there. So all you're doing is, if we can get it in like that, all you're doing is you're just pushing this clip in with a screwdriver or the plastic trim removal tool, whatever you want to use. And what that does is it allows this to come out like that, and then you can just pull it down. Once you've then got it out, you've got this little plug up there. I haven't actually twisted that wiring before. Anyone in the comments tries to say I've done it. The wires are already twisted, it's how they are. We can undo them, but doesn't really make much of a difference. It'll just go back to how it was. But all you do to release that plug is that little tab there gets pushed inwards. So I'm trying to get it on camera, and it just goes in like that. And this little tab there, if I push the bottom of it, you might actually see it moving a little bit. So there, you can see it moving. So that moves, and what it does is it frees up this little stick out part in the bottom, and it lets the light come loose. We're just going to go ahead and replace the full light. Now, looking at this light here, I don't think you can replace the bulb. I think you'd have to replace the full light, because it doesn't look like there's any sort of opening on it. So yeah, it'd probably be the full light, but I can't imagine them being too expensive. And when you're putting it back together, you would then just put the plug back in, and it just pushes in. You don't have to push any clips or anything. The light just pushes straight away in. I am going to plug this one back in for now, so we don't lose the plug. Because we probably will end up pushing that plug in. As you can see, it's already gone in there. It's a lot easier when you're doing stuff with two hands, and it's a lot faster. Bloody hell. I don't think I can do it one-handed, but got it. We got it. There we are, we're in. But anyway, this will just go back like this, and it'll get pushed in for now. And the customer knows now we need to order a new one. I'll let him know. And that's how it should be in there. So as you can see, I just pushed it in and it clicked into place. This one really won't go anywhere, but we'll let the customer know if he wants to replace it. We'll go ahead and get it replaced for him. Anyway, guys, please like, share and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, as usual, put them in the comments and I'll try my best to help you. Thank you.